Hello guys, it's time for a little bit different vlog today. Today it's kind of how to do video. I need to change my windscreen wipers. Yeah, wipers for my windscreen. So, well, it's a good opportunity to actually do an how-to. So, to change windscreen wipers at an Audi B8 or other Audis maybe, I don't know, but the first thing you have to do is to lift up the wipers, and to do that you have to do this. You have to press car and then go all the way down to windscreen wipers and service position on, and you see here, whoop, and it will be 1,000 times easier to change the wipers. And now we actually can change the wipers without any problem at all, because look at this. It was boing and boing. Fucking perfect. And let's see here. How is my? Oh yeah, my wipers is just to do like this. Press this one and then lift it up. Hopefully, yeah. So we have a little button here that we should press. And it is that easy to change wipers on an Audi B8. So, down with the trash. And the last thing here. And by the way guys, By the way, it's snow. Let's see if we actually can go and have some fun. I can't promise, because it is kind of rainy and it's +1 degree Celsius, so probably not. Well, we can at least go and see. And yeah, do not forget to change this one again. So up to off, and perfect. Oh damn, so bright. Well, it seems like we can actually do some fun here. So let's see what we can do. I need to see something. Let's have this light. So turn off the safety shit. And let's see if we can do some little bit of fun. It's always funny. Well, I really hope that we got that 4x4 donuts on video. So, well, let's see about that. I have no clue. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and well, I did at least. So, yeah, see you guys another time.